Hi everyone, welcome to my blog TechHub blog. Today we are going to discuss Python dictionary. So let's see what is Python dictionary first. A Python dictionary is one of the built-in data types used to store data in key value pairs. So Python dictionary is a kind of data type which stores value in key value pairs. The dictionary is an unordered, mutable and index collection where each key is unique and maps to a value. So in this key value pair, key will be unique every time and it is unordered. It can be any order, it can be mutable, that means it can be changed, and indexed collection, that means you can call the elements using the index function. It is often used to store related data like information associated with a particular entity object where we can easily get value on the basis of its key. So we can get the elements of the dictionary using the key. Here are some of the characteristics of the Python. You can go there. First, it is mutable, it is unordered, we have discussed, it is indexed, it is unique keys, and it is heterogeneous. That means keys and values in dictionary can be of any type. It is not necessary that they have to be a specific type or they have to be of same type. Now let's try to understand this through some programming statements. Here we have zero dictionary. A dictionary is declared using the curly braces. So this is empty dictionary. And in this one, we are having name is the key, here age is the key, and here city is the key, and this is the value. Name value is Lucy, age value city, and sorry, age value is 19, and city value is New Jersey. And this is a different method of declaring dictionary using dict keyword and the curve bracket. So dict keyword curve bracket, then we will give name equal to John. So name will be the keyword and John will be the value. Here age will be the keyword and 21 will be the value. Similarly, city is a keyword and Havana is the value. Now we are printing dictionary one by one. Let's try to run this program and see what is the output. So here you can see dictionary 1 is printed. This is the empty dictionary, the first one, and dict 1, this is the second dictionary, it is printed, and this is a third dictionary, dict 2, it is also printed here. Let's run some more examples. So here you can see we have dict underscore x, this is a dictionary. We have name value pair here. These are the name value pairs. Now we are printing the details here. So print name. So we have to call the dictionary name, and then we have to call the here the keyword, the key name. So name dict underscore x name. So it will print Sachin. Now dict underscore x age, it will print 18. Here we are trying to access the elements using get function. So we can also get the values using the dict underscore x, that is a dictionary name dot get function, and we are giving the key here. So male will be printed here, and here you can see profession, that is student, will be printed here. So these are the different ways of getting the elements of the dictionary. Here you can see name Sachin, age 18. This is name, this is age, and this is gender which will be male, and this is profession which will be student. So they all have been printed here. Now let's try to run some more examples. Now here we are trying to update the values of the dictionary. We have, this is a dict underscore x dictionary, name value pairs are there. First we are printing the given dictionary here, and here we are adding the elements. That means we are adding dict text country equal to India. So country is not there, so we are adding country India, and then we are printing updated dictionary. Let's run this code. So here you can see name Sachin, age 18, gender male, profession student, and country India is printed here. Now let's see how we can remove the elements from the dictionary. Here we have declared a dictionary. These are the key value pairs. Now we are printing the given dictionary here using dict underscore x. Here we are deleting the elements from the, since it is mutable, so we can update and delete the dictionary. Now we are deleting the age here, so age and the value 18 will be deleted, and we're printing the updated dictionary. After that, we are popping some values. So pop underscore value, this is a variable. Dict underscore x dot pop gender using pop. So here we are removing using the gender. Using the pop function, we are removing the gender value. So this will, and after removing, we are printing the updated dictionary and the popped value as. So popped value will be male. So here it will be printed here. And in the next statement, here we are using pop item. So this will remove the last element present in the dictionary, and we are printing the last element which is popped. So country equal to India. India will be printed here in popped item. And here we are clearing the dictionary. That means we are removing all the elements. So empty dictionary will be printed here. Let's run this program. This is a given dictionary. We have all the elements, and then we are updating the age, deleting the age. Sorry, we are deleting that age. So age will be deleted and rest of the elements will be printed. So here you can see age is not there and rest of the elements are printed. Now we are removing the elements through the pop. So we are removing the gender. So here you can see name Sachin, professional, gender male has been removed, and the popped value is male. So here the popped value is printed. Now this statement will be executed now. Popped item dict underscore x dot popped item. So it will remove the last element. Last element will be country India. So country is the key and India is the value. So after removing country India, dictionary is printed. Let's see. So here you can see country India is not here and the popped value India is printed here. Now this statement will be executed. Dict underscore x dot clear, it will remove all the elements and keys from the dictionary, and an empty dictionary will be printed. So you can see it removed all elements. So I hope you are able to understand what is dictionary in Python, and if you have any queries or doubts you can post in the comment section. Also you can visit this TechHub blog. Here you can find the cheat sheet and the examples, and there are some other topics and functions as well. Thank you.